Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel. Today I'm about to show you how to cook dry tripes or matumbo. That's what we call in our language, Kiswahili. Yeah, so stay tuned guys, so that you get to see how I will be making this flavorful, delicious meal. Many people find it hard to cook, but with the right steps and a little patience, it becomes perfectly tender and very tasty. So guys, for my returning subscribers, thank you so much for supporting your girl. I don't take it for granted. And to those who are new here, video ni kila siku kama kawaida. And before we start the video, let me explain a little bit. I cleaned and boiled my matumbo off camera. Yeah, so we are gonna go ahead and cook now. And if you find this video interesting, share, subscribe, watch. That's it. Let's continue cooking, guys. Stick around as I share easy tips and enjoy the rest of the video. And that's it for today, guys. My tripes are ready. You can have them with ugali or any other food, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you so much. We'll see you in the next one. Bye.